Hi viewers, in this particular video we are going to give you a demonstration how to change the IP address of the laser printers after migration of routers. Suppose router of your branch has already migrated but your printer is still with existing IP, old IP. In this particular hardware scenario, we know that we have two types of laser printers. One is HP 202DW, another one is HP 203DN. So one after another we will see how we get the configuration page from the printer, where it will show which IP is embedded to this particular printer at present. So to get the present IP of the printer, we need to take the output or printout of configuration page. Here we have a model of 203DN. There is switch in front. We are pressing this switch for 5 seconds. Remember, this is very important. We need to press it for 5 seconds to get the configuration report. In the configuration report, we have network summary, and in the network summary, we can see the IP address, present IP address of the laser printer. We can note that one. Again, for 202 model, we have a screen. In the display screen, we can see the existing IP address of the printer, and again, to confirm the same or to take a written one, we need to take a we can take a configuration summary page. From there we are taking printouts from 202, and in this particular configuration summary we can get the IP address, existing IP address of the printer. Now we need to note those two IP addresses and store in our database. Now here we need to use a PC which is having the same series of IP. Say, as for example, we have ECM PC with 172 series. So there we need to open the Internet Explorer, and in the Internet Explorer we need to type the existing IP address of the printer, and we also need to confirm that the printer should attach with that particular PC. So after writing and pressing enter, a console will open, and in the console we need to change the existing IP of the printers with the new given 10 series IP. This is the way we can change the IP address, subnet mask, and the gateway. We are changing the gateway right now. Similar way, in the printer console, we will change the subnet mask and apply, and then we will press OK. Here we have completed this activity. Point to be noted, while doing this, we need to ensure that the PC should be with 172 series IP, and the printer should be attached with that particular PC. So we can choose ECM PC here. That will be convenient. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.